Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making a project that can tell you the current month. So here, as you can see, I've made a whole clock, but it's going to take like 5-6 hours making the whole thing. So we are only going to be making the month part. So let me show you how this clock looks like. My name is A.E. Ryan. English. Okay, we have this here. This looks nice. It tells you the month, the date, the time. But let's get started with the month. So I'm going to name it. What should I name it? Tell the month, maybe. Yeah, that's it. So now we're going to paint a sprite right here. Boom. And now we are going to get some text that says Jan, and I'm going to select the text handwriting. Where is that? Okay, there you go. It's at the middle. Let me place it in the middle. Boom, there you go. So now we need the code as always. So I'm going to write it. When the green flag is clicked, let me zoom this for you guys. If you're gonna get an equal, the current month is equal to 1. 1 means January. Switch costume to costume 1. So let's create more costumes of every month. Costume 2, Feb. I'm not writing the whole month name because that's going to be super big. So yeah, Feb, March, alright, April, May, June, July, August. Alright, we are almost done. September, October, November, and the last one, which is this. Okay, so we are done with the sprites. Now we are just going to duplicate this. Current month is equal to 2. Switch costume to costume 2. Duplicate it again. 3. Switch costume to costume 3. And then we are going to do it until we are finished with all the what's that called? The months. Okay, cost 4. Yeah. 5. 6. Switch costume to costume 6. Keep repeating this. 7. Costume 7. 8. Costume 8. 9. Costume 9. We are almost done, guys. Costume 10. 10. Last one left. 11. 11. And the last one, which is 12. And 12. So the current month is October. So let's see if it says October. Yeah, there you go. It says October. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, be sure to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.